Do your whoa. Release. Just okay. Back, back, back. That's it. Good job. One more. Good boy. Okay. Where you go? He's going to this side. That's it. Do the whoa in the middle again. Whoa him. Whoa him. Okay, now the back up. He's too busy watching them. Okay, turn him, go that way. Kick him. Go around the other barrel on this side. Yep. Do whoa in the middle.
Whoa.
Now back him up.